At Crevin, the core of our activity has always been design, quality, and sustainability. From the design stage, materials and production processes are developed, and the life cycle of all products is evaluated to minimize environmental impact. The vertical integration of our production allows us to manage the environmental impact during the manufacturing of fabrics and waste management efficiently, as we control the entire process, from the design of a fabric's yarn to the delivery of our finished product to our customers. The textile industry is known for its significant environmental footprint. That's why we offer certifications that ensure Crevin fabrics are produced in a resource-respectful, environmentally safe, and socially responsible manner. Our double-layer technique eliminates the need for laminated coatings in our fabrics, and they are certified under the Standard 100 by OEKO-TEX R label. This guarantees that we do not use substances that could threaten human health or the environment. We are moving towards a future of zero waste, zero water, and zero CO2. At Crevin, in addition to efficiently managing and repurposing the waste we generate, we have an ultrafiltration water plant to achieve near-complete circularity of the water we use in our dyeing processes. Each year, we calculate our water and CO2 footprint through life cycle analysis, a study developed in collaboration with the textile engineering faculty at the Universitat Politècnica de Catalunya. This data allows us to continuously measure and reduce our environmental impact, providing transparent information about our sustainability performance to customers and end users, promoting responsible purchasing. At Crevin, every step we take is directed towards a more sustainable future, because we believe that quality and responsibility can go hand in hand.